Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Inside the Bellagio, the main foyer is one of the most recognizable interior spaces in Las Vegas. At the center of the lobby is a large circular desk area backed by marble pillars and framed by patterned stone flooring. Above the lobby hangs the famous glass sculpture ceiling by artist Dale Chihuly, titled Fiori di Como. Composed of more than 2,000 hand-blown glass pieces, the installation spans the ceiling in vibrant shapes inspired by flowers and water lilies. Since opening day, it has served as one of the defining features of the property. Beyond the lobby lies the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Garden. This indoor space occupies more than 10,000 square feet and is known for its elaborate seasonal displays. The conservatory is redesigned several times each year, typically for Lunar New Year, spring, summer, autumn, and the holiday season. Each display uses thousands of fresh plants, flowers, trees, and structural elements arranged into themed scenes. Engineers, horticulturalists, and designers work together to plan and construct the displays, often incorporating moving elements, water features, and large sculptural pieces. The seasonal transition draws significant interest because each version is completely rebuilt. Themes can range from classical garden arrangements to elaborate cultural celebrations. The displays also frequently incorporate materials sourced from around the world, including rare flowers and specialty plants cultivated specifically for the conservatory. This constant reinvention has become one of the Bellagio's signature attractions, offering visitors something new on each return visit. The conservatory complements the Bellagio's Gallery of Fine Arts, which for many years showcased curated exhibitions from international museums and private collections. Together, the lobby, the Chihuly ceiling, and the conservatory created a unified experience that set the Bellagio apart from traditional casino-first resort design. The foyer and garden areas also represents the resort's commitment to art, craftsmanship, and visual presentation. And these spaces continue to play a central role in how Bellagio presents itself both to guests and to the city.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.